Welcome to DAV Mall Public School e-learning classes. Standard 6, Subject Science. Topic Magnet. In this video we will do revision of chapter Magnet. Magnet was discovered quite a long time ago. There is a story about an early shepherd named Magnus who lived in a place called Magnesia in northern Greece about 4000 years ago. One day, while talking to his sheep around, he found that the nails of his shoe and the metal strip of his stake suddenly got firmly stuck to a large black rock on which he was standing. He thought about it and realized that the black rock must have some special attractive property. The black rock was later named magnetite, perhaps after magnesia or manganese. This natural occurring mineral magnet is obtained from magnetite rock. This naturally magnetite rock or magnet is called as natural magnet, and those magnets which are prepared by combination of certain mineral ores are called as artificial magnets. Permanent and temporary magnet. Magnetism in magnet can be temporary or permanent. Permanent magnet are those magnetized material that have magnetism already built into them, and those magnetism is not easily destroyed. They apply forces on each other and also on some other material called magnetizable material. They are made up of steel, cobalt, nickel. Permanent magnets do not lose their magnetism easily. Permanent magnet can convert ordinary magnetic material into magnet. Temporary magnet. Temporary magnets are either material that became magnetized when they are near other magnet or act as magnet when a current passes through them. For instance, a paper clip hanging from a magnet attracts other paper clip as this first paper clip is an example of a temporary magnet. It is made up of soft iron. As soon as the magnetizing force is removed, the magnet loses its magnetism. Temporary magnets are not used to make an iron piece into a magnet because of its weak power. Magnetic and non-magnetic material. Magnetic material. Cobalt, nickel, iron are some example of magnetic material. These material easily attracts a magnet, whereas some do not get attached towards magnet. Non-magnetic materials like aluminum, zinc, wood, leather, plastic, cloth, paper, rubber are non-magnetic material. Non-magnetic materials are not attracted towards the magnet even when they are brought closer to magnet. Types of magnet. There are different type of magnets are classified based upon their shape. The different type of magnets include bar magnet, dumbbell shaped magnet, horseshoe magnet, cylindrical magnet, etc. Shape of magnets. Magnets are made of different material and in different shapes. Strength of bar or horseshoe magnet. The strength of a magnet can be determined in terms of its attractive force, that is, the force by which material get attracted towards it or stick to it. The more the attractive force or pull of the magnet, more is the strength of the magnet. The strength of a magnet is maximum near its two ends. The two ends of magnets are known as its two poles. The poles are situated near the two ends of the magnet and are region where its strength is maximum. The strength of a magnet as the point of observation moves away from either of the pole goes on decreasing towards the middle of the magnet. At the center, the strength of magnet became almost zero. Thank you.